Hello everyone, Namaskar. This is Dr. Shakti, physiotherapist and fitness expert associated with Janitri. At Janitri, we are talking about a mother's love, a woman's essential, uncompassionate love towards her children and family has talked about a lot of things in her own way. So when we are talking about a mother or a woman, we can see a lot of stress that she goes on everyday basis. She undergoes a lot of physical and mental ups and downs in her daily activities, that it becomes quite important for her to make herself comfortable enough and to make herself physically and mentally balanced enough so that she can take on with all her activities on a everyday basis. So I am today going to tell you some very basic stretching exercises for every mother so that she can perform it on an everyday basis when she wakes up in the morning or when she is free or in the night, whenever she is actively looking after her own self. She can also contribute a lot by taking care of herself. Providing a simple me time is also very essential for every mother. So let's start. First we will start with our upper body, with your hands, your neck and your shoulders and your elbows. These are the joints which are commonly affected in a woman because they always start, they have got a tendency to multitask a lot of things together. So when they are doing a multitasking together, they entire joints are coming into action. So what are the things that she can do to keep all the joints in a very normal anatomical position and in a very perfect position so that she is ready to compensate for the other work of activities immediately? First, what we can do, we can start with the hand exercises. Okay, we'll start with the shoulder exercises. Whenever you are free, whenever a woman is waking up in the morning, before going into any kind of activities of your daily routine, you can just stretch out your hands, you can stretch out your shoulders so that it becomes quite flexible and it will give you strength to move on with your activities. First we will start with the shoulder exercises. You can sit on your bed, on a chair, or a yoga mat, and you can do all these exercises, starting with the rotation and the clockwise and the anti-clockwise circular movement of the shoulder joint. This can be performed twice or thrice in a day depending upon your time and the way your body is giving you a response towards the stimulus. Okay, this was the shoulder exercise that I performed. Next, what you can do is your forearm stretches, because you do a lot of, every mother or every woman in a family does the commonest thing, that is cooking. You can find her always in her kitchen, so that she will be preparing good and beautiful and yummy dishes for her family. So what stretching exercises you can do? You can go for the stretching of your arm and forearm. Okay, by putting your hands like this and stretching downward. You can count 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and release. With the other hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and release. In the same way, what we can do, we can put your fingers downward position and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and release. 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 These are the very commonest kind of stretching exercises for your shoulder and your upper hands, arms and forearms, where you can get very much relaxation, you can get a lot of flexibility in your hands. And हर माँ और हर एक मदर ये सारे एक्सरसाइजेस कर सकती है अपने घर में विद अपने फिंगर्स के साथ, अपने हाथों के साथ। वो बहुत सारी क्रिएटिव थिंग्स करना चाहती हैं। कोई बहुत सारी माएँ अपनी वर्क फ्रॉम होम करती हैं, कुकिंग करती हैं, गार्डनिंग करती हैं, बच्चों का ख्याल रखती हैं। सो इनमें क्या होता है, उनके हाथों को बहुत ज़्यादा इफ़ेक्ट पड़ता है। सो एक मदर का हेल्थ बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, अच्छे से रहना, अच्छे से खान पीन करना, अच्छे से सोना, दैट इज़ अ स्लीप वेक साइकिल शुड बी मेंटेन, एंड along with that a good amount of exercise on a daily basis is also essential. So I will be coming up with a lot of more exercises related to women's health on our next video. So stay tuned, subscribe and like our channel Janitri. Thank you.